Alright, so we just changed this compressor on this HVAC unit. I will not disclose the store name for privacy reasons. We are currently pulling vacuum. If you do any kind of HVAC repair, you need to make sure to always pull vacuum if you bring that refrigerant down to a 0 charge. Because you never know what contaminants got in the system. Also, anytime we do a compressor, we always like to change the contactor as well. Just because, you never know if that old contactor shorted out. This compressor was burnt up, so it wasn't shorted out or anything, but just to be safe, change the contactor. We like to pull vacuum down to a minimum of 500 microns, but I like to get mine down to 300. So anyways, there you go, guys. Sorry I don't have more on that. Kind of didn't have any free hands when I was changing this bad boy, but there you go.